Question 1 is using factor method. Using factor method, we have to divide the polynomial. Using factor method, divide the following polynomials. Divide the following polynomials by binomial. First question. In first question is x square plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1. We have to divide this polynomial by a binomial. Binomial means two terms. So the question is by using factor method. So what does it mean, factor method? Factor method, this means the factor method means you have to do the questions by using factorization. Factor method by using factorization. And factorization method, you know it very well how to do it, by splitting the middle term. So we will use same method over here by factor method means factorization method. So you have to split the middle term. Let's go for the question. So multiply extreme term with both the extreme term multiply, so it will come as 2x square. Now you have to split the middle term in such a way that it will come as 2x. So it will come as x square plus 2x plus x, and this last term as it is. This method you did it in your previous classes also. Now from first to take common, so x is common, x plus 2, and from last two 1 is common, so it will be x plus 2. Take common, and in the denominator x plus 1. Now you have to take from these two common again. You have to use the factorization method. Take x plus 2 common, and the left out is x plus 1, and in the denominator also it is x plus 1. So observe it. X plus 1 and x plus 1 is on the both sides, so cancel it. So the term you will get it as x plus 2. So this is the answer. This question you can do it with the division also, but here it is written by using factor method you have to do it. So here you will apply the factor method only, that is factorization. So by using factorization only you have to do the question. So be careful while doing the questions. Now let's go for the second part. Same procedure we will follow. Question second part is x square minus 7x minus 18 by x minus 9. So again we will do the factorization method, that is the split up of middle term, splitting the middle term. So multiply outer with outer, so you will get it as minus 18x square. Now split the middle term in the form of minus 18x square, but its sum should come as minus 7. So it will come as minus 9x plus 2x and minus 18. In the denominator you will write it like this. Now from first two take common, x is common, so it will be x minus 9. From last two 2 is common, so it will be x minus 9, and in the denominator x minus 9. Now from these two terms take common again, so x minus 9 is common, so left out term will be x plus 2, and in the denominator x minus 9. But what do you observe here? This x minus 9 and x minus 9 is same, so we can cancel it, and then the left part is x plus 2 again, and this is the answer. I hope the question is clear to all of you. Similarly, you can do the third part. Now I am taking the fourth one. In fourth part, same question. Question is p square minus p minus 42 by p plus 6. So p square minus p minus 42 upon p plus 6. Now outer with outer, multiply it, you will get it minus 42 p square, and split the middle term so that it will come as minus 42. So p square minus 7p plus 6p, and write the both the end terms as it is. Take common, so p minus 7. From here 6 is common, p minus 7, and in the denominator it is p plus 6. Now from these two, p minus 7 is common, so take it out, and the left term which will remain behind as p plus 6, and in the denominator also it is p plus 6. So again these two are same, so cancel it. So the remaining part is p minus 7. So you have to remember, if in the question it is written that by using factor method, you have to divide the polynomial, then you will use these method, means by taking the factorization concept. Now next part. In fifth part, question is the variable has been changed. Y square plus 12y plus 35 by y plus 7. Now multiply extreme both the terms, you will get plus 35y square. Now split the 12y in such a way that it will come as, if you will multiply them, then it will come as plus 35 square, and if you will subtract or add, it should come as plus 12y. So y square 7y plus 5y. See, if you will add them together, it will come as 12y, and if you will multiply these two terms, it will come as 35y square. Middle term split up. Now from first two, take common, y is common, so y plus 7 left, and from the last two, 5 is common, so y plus 7, and in the denominator y plus 7. Now what should be the next step? You have to take y plus 7 from both the terms, so y plus 7, take it out, and the remaining term is y plus 5, and in the denominator y plus 7. Now next step, these two are same, so cancel it. You will get y plus 5 as the answer. Now next term. In next part, sixth part is, again it is same. Sixth part, z square minus 10z plus 16 and divided by z minus. Now multiply outer with outer, so it will come as 16z square, and now split the middle term in such a way that it will come as 16z square. If you will multiply, it should come as 16z square, and if you will add it, it should come as minus 10z. So it will be minus 8z minus 2z plus 16, and the denominator z minus 2. Now take z common, so z minus 8 and from the last two terms minus 2 is common, so z minus 8. And denominator z minus 2, now z minus 8 is common from both of them. Take it out and the left term is z minus 2 and denominator is also z minus 2. Now cancel these two, so z minus 8 is the answer. Next part. In next part, seventh part is very important, and this is little bit different also. So x power 4 plus 3x power 2 minus 10 divided by z x square plus 5. So what is the difference between question seventh part and the remaining parts which you did it? Is there any difference? Do you observe any difference? Here the power is 4 and in the remaining question the power of the variable was 2. But you will apply the same procedure here also. You will go for the question now. Multiply outer with outer. So it will come as minus 10x power 4. Now split the middle term. Same method you will follow it. So x power 4. Now split the middle term. So it will be 5 x power. Now you will write x power 2. Here you were writing z because the middle term was z. Here the middle term was y. But here the middle term is x square. So you will write x square along with it. So 5x square minus 2x square. And write the last term as it is. Observe here. If you will multiply these two together. Multiply these two together. 5 multiply minus 2, you will get minus 10. And x square multiply x square, you will get x power 4. So outer term is minus 10x power 4. So same thing you will get it over here after multiplying it. And if you will solve this one, 5x square minus 2x square, it will come as 3x square. Same procedure. And the denominator is x square plus 5. Now take common. From first two terms, what is common? Common is x power 4 and x square plus 5. And from last two common, so x square plus 5. And the denominator x square plus 5. Now what is common from from the upper part? That is x square plus 5 is common. And the left term is x square minus 2. And in the denominator x square plus 5. X square plus 5. Now, what should be the next step now? Is there anything cancel? You can cancel it. So, these two terms can be cancelled out. So, the answer is x minus 2. So, this is the answer. Similarly, you can do the last part also. In last part, that is eighth part. In eighth part, again you have to follow the same procedure. Question is x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by x minus 4. Multiply outer with outer, it will come as 12x square. Now split the middle term such that it will come as 12x. After doing the multiplication, it should come as 12x square, and while solving it, it should come as minus 7x. So you will get this split up. Denominator is x minus 4. X minus 4. Now take the common from the upper part. Common from the upper part. So x is common, so x minus 4, and from last two term minus 3 is common, so it will be x minus 4, and the denominator is x minus 4. Now take x minus 4 common, so the left term is x minus 3, and the denominator is x minus 4. Now next step, these two terms will be cancelled out and the left term is x minus 3. So I hope that this concept is clear to all of you, and now you can these questions carefully yourself.